How should complete rice processing equipment be maintained? A regular inspection of equipment components. Find problems, timely repair and replacement. To ensure the normal operation and safety of the equipment. 2. Lubricate and maintain the equipment regularly. To reduce equipment wear and failure. And extend the service life of the equipment. 3. Pay attention to the anti-corrosion and anti-rust of the equipment. Clean and paint the surface regularly. To maintain the appearance and performance of the equipment. Ensure the safety performance of the equipment. Check the safety devices and protection measures of the equipment regularly. To prevent accidents. It must be treated with moisture, dust and corrosion protection. To protect the equipment from damage. In short, rice processing. Proper use and maintenance of complete equipment. It can improve the efficiency and life of the equipment. Reduce production costs. Improve economic efficiency. Before using the equipment, must be familiar with the use of the equipment and precautions. And in accordance with the provisions of the operation and maintenance.